Hi there. Welcome back. How are you guys? By now you are already familiar with our Mr. J. Today, meet Liam. He is a young, energetic lad, and together they are going to take you on to the next level in algebra. We are having a look at what we mean by collecting like terms. They will help you become pros at the topic. So, grab your pencils and books and let's get going. Enjoy the session.
We need to understand what a term is. We can learn how to collect like terms only when we know what terms are. We already know what an expression is, don't we? Example, 2a plus 5. That is an expression. We have learnt about them in a previous video where we learned how to solve simple algebraic equations. The 2a and 5 are called as terms.
Mr. J, but aren't they different? I mean, 2a and 5.
Correct. A term can be a variable, a number, or a number along with a variable, as shown here. In algebra, we collect the like terms together. But they have to be the same. Example: 5a, 2a, 9a, etc. are like terms because they all are numbers along with the same variable. 7b, 9q, 6x, etc. are not like terms as they have different variables. Let's have a look at this question. 3a plus 2 plus 5, a plus 7 plus 7b. Remember, our task is to club together all like terms and make it into one term. 3a and 5a are like terms, we can add them to get 8a. Note, we only add the numbers and not the variables. Similarly, we can add 2 and 7, which will give 9. We do not have a term to go with 7b, so we leave it alone. Our final expression will therefore become 8a plus 9 plus 7b, or a better way is to write 8a plus 7b plus 9. Here's one for you.
This should be easy. We take away 2b from 7b, giving us 5b. 9 add 6 is 15. So, our answer is 5b plus 15. For this we add 7m and 4m, which will be 11m. We then take away 2n from 2n. Any number or variable taken away from the same number or variable will be 0. We leave the 3 as it is. Our final answer is 11m plus 3. We do not include the 0 in the final expression.
Try solving this equation.
Wow, an equation. We will add 9m and 3m, which will give us 12m, and we leave the 2 as it is. Now the equation becomes 12m plus 2 is equal to 38. Now, following the rules we learnt in an earlier video, we take away 2 from both sides. This will give us 12m equals 36. We will then divide both sides by 12 to eliminate the 12 associated with m, and we get m equals 3. It is a similar case here as well. We add 40b and 20b, giving us 60b. We leave the minus 5 as it is. Our equation now becomes 60b minus 5 is equal to 115. Just like before, we get rid of minus 5 by adding 5 to both sides. Now the equation is 60b equals 120. Divide both sides by 60 to isolate b. b will then be equal to 2.
I know that you learned a lot in that short session. Collecting like terms is a key concept in algebra. That was an amazing session, wasn't it? Short and simple. Grab your videos, phones, or other devices. Have a look at our previous videos on algebra. Collecting like terms was easy peasy with Mr. J and Liam. I hope Liam and his friends have learned how to collect like terms. Mr. J and our friends will be back with more of algebra shortly. Until then, adios.